Hi, good morning. Very good morning and warm welcome. It's sharp 11 and already I could see some of you have signed in. Yes, warm welcome. Are you able to see my video and audio? I mean, whether the audio and video is clear. If audio and video is clear, just type AC. Let me enable the chat options. If audio and video is clear, type AC. Type AC if audio and video is clear. Yes, Hiran Patel, Ramesh, thanks for the confirmation. Giri, warm welcome. Right. Now the time is 11:01. Let's just wait for a couple more minutes so others can also join and settle down. In the meantime, kindly introduce yourself. Yes, good morning, Nilish. Giri, good morning. All of you kindly introduce yourself from where you are attending the session. Mention the name of the bank or organization you are associated with. From where you are attending the session, mention the name of the bank or organization you are associated with. Just a moment. Okay, Ramesh from PNB, Nilesh from Mumbai HDFC, warm welcome. Hiran Patel from Bank of India, Scale 1 officer from Gujarat, warm welcome, Hiran Patel. Hiran, I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Is it correct? Yes, okay, thank you. Ramesh from Punjab National Bank, Nilesh from Mumbai HDFC. Others in the same way, kindly introduce yourself from where you are attending the session. Yeah, Nilesh from Mumbai HDFC. Warm welcome, Nilesh. Sunana Rai from Bank of Maharashtra. Good morning. Giri from Hyderabad, retired SBI official. Warm welcome, sir. Warm welcome. Now the time is 11:03. We'll just wait for a couple more minutes. Couple more minutes so we can start maybe sharp by 11:05. And just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Yes, yes. Hilal Bhatt, good morning. Yeah. Hilal Bhatt from JNK Bank. Asha from Bangalore. Sudhir from Mahanagar Bank, AGM Mumbai. And we have participant from Zambia. Chibwe, I do not know whether I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Harish from Bank of India. Dikshit from Punjab National Bank. One more minute. We'll start the session by 11:05. 11:05. Devanand, good morning. Good morning, our diamond member from Cape Town, South Africa. Ramesh from Hyderabad, good morning. One more minute. We'll start the session by 11:05. Let me also share my presentation screen in the meantime. Just confirm whether the screen is visible. Are you able to see the screen? Presentation screen? Blue screen? Yes? Okay, wonderful. Yeah, thank you so much. Now the time is 11:05. Without further delay, let's get into the discussion. This session, 11 a.m. session, is reserved for financial ratio analysis. So let me write that here. Welcome to the session on financial ratio analysis. If you are a banker, if you are a finance professional, if you are a business owner, and if you want to get a 360-degree view of a business to take financial decision, whether it be lending decision from banker's point of view, or analysis from finance professional point of view, or decision making from business owner point of view. Financial ratio analysis is a very powerful tool because it will give you complete picture, a 360-degree view of a business. It will help you to understand the plus and minuses. It will help you to understand the opportunities and risks that are surrounding the business. Okay. It's because of this reason banks and financial institutions, they give a lot of significance and weightage for financial ratios when it comes to their decision making. I don't know how many of you have effectively used financial ratios, but your bosses, your top bosses, your decision making authorities, your committee heads, they all will go through financial ratios and they speak the language based on the results shown by the financial ratios. Okay. So, in that angle, it's a very, very important tool, very powerful tool. And calculating financial ratios are quite simple, but interpreting them, interpretation, that's the key. Because even if I teach grade 5, grade 6 students that, okay, this is the ratio, you have to put this in numerator, you have to put this in denominator, they will also do it blindly. But who is going to interpret it very effectively? Who can interpret it? Only who knows what matters, only who has that skill, only who has that knowledge. Okay. And this session will act as a foundation setting stone for that purpose. Yes, it will help you to really lay a strong foundation. And before we make a deep dive into the session, just give me 1 minute time. I'll make quick introduction about myself because some of you may be attending the session for the first time. I am CAN Raja, a chartered accountant by qualification, a teacher, trainer by passion. I started my career as a banker with State Bank of India. I joined as credit analyst and in very short period got elevated as team leader of credit processing cell in mid corporate group where I had opportunity to work on loan ticket sizes ranging from 10 crore to 500 crore. I worked for a period of 4 years in SBI, handled 250 plus projects, which is almost like 5,000 crore plus size. After 4 years stint in SBI, I came out and started my CA practice. During CA practice, I focused on project finance and debt syndication as my core practice areas, leveraging my banking experience and expertise. This continued for almost 7.5 years. Parallelly, I also took up teaching assignments. I used to teach financial management and strategic financial management for students pursuing professional courses like CA, CMA, CS, both at inter and final level. I also regularly conduct training program for banking and finance professionals on the areas like financial analysis, working capital, project financing, term loan related matters. I'm also happy to say our e-learning portal CA Raja Classes is an associated training partner of BFSI SSC, that is Banking and Financial Services and Insurance Sector Skill Council of India. This BFSI SSC comes under NSDC of Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. It means whoever joining our course, if they complete the online exam conducted by us, they are also eligible to get government-backed BFSI SSC certificate. We got this accreditation this year. And I'm also an empaneled faculty with Tamil Nadu Chamber of Commerce and Industries. I train business owners on financial management areas. And the last one to say, I'm also teaching through online platform like this. Thanks to technology, as of today, we have crossed 4 lakh plus learners across 180 plus countries learning banking, credit, finance, accounting, and so on through our structured online courses. Okay. This is about me. I thought some of you may be attending the session for the first time, so they should have some idea because you are going to spend your valuable 60 minutes here. Right. Now, no more personal talks. We'll directly get into the topic. Financial ratios. To understand the importance of financial ratios, let's get started with an example. Let's say there are two companies in front of you, Company A and Company B. Company A has reported a profit of 5 crore and Company B has reported a profit of 10 crore. Now, if I ask you which company looks more efficient, what will be your answer? Please tell me, which company looks more efficient here? I know the information is very limited. Try to answer this as a layman. Okay, don't answer this as a banker or as an analyst. As a layman, I'm showing you two companies. Okay, one company is making a profit of 5 crore, the other one is making 10 crore. I'm asking you which company looks more efficient. Please tell me, is it A or B? Just type A or B. Okay, Nagashekar is saying it's company B. Hiran is not ready to answer. Hilal Bhatt is saying it's B. Elenki Ratnagiri is of opinion it's B. Giriyara is saying it's B. Nilesh B. MV Ramesh B. Asha Gabriel is saying B. Sudhir is saying it's B. Okay. So the majority of the answers, Alok, Ranjit Singh Chauhan, all of you, Pooja, all of you are answering in favor of B. Manish Kumar. Okay, wonderful. So what I could see here is there are two companies, A and B. Company A has a profit of 5 crore, B has a 10 crore. I asked you which company is efficient, and most of you answered in favor of B. And I don't find anything wrong here because company B's profit is almost twice of A. Okay, so nothing wrong in saying that. But let me give you one more piece of information. Company A has achieved a sales of 20 crore and company B has achieved a sales of 100 crore. It's from this sales they are reporting a profit of 5 crore and 10 crore. Now let me repeat the question. Which company is more efficient? Please answer me. And whoever answered earlier, please you have to answer this time also. Ratnagiri changed his opinion to A. Dikshit, Sudhir, Manish, Nagshekar, Hilal, Ramesh, Pooja, Abhishek Pandey. Giriyara, Shivakumar. Okay, so there is a shift in favor of A. Shivakumar, Sridhar. Hey, what happened? Earlier, when I asked you which company is efficient, most of you answered in favor of B. But now, when I gave you this additional piece of information, your answer got shifted in favor of A. What happened? What caused this shift? What caused the shift? I think knowingly or unknowingly, okay, whether with awareness or without awareness, you did one thing. You compared the profit of 5 crore with 20 crore and you concluded that this company is making 25% profit margin. Then you also compared 10 crore with 100 crore and you concluded this company is making 10 percentage profit margin. Yes, this is where you cracked the code. You understood company A is making 25% profit margin and B is making only 10 percentage profit margin. It means what? 25% profit margin means what? If a company is selling a product for 100 rupees, they are making a profit of 25 rupees. It means their cost is controlled at 75 rupees. But if company B is selling a product for 100 rupees, they are able to report a profit of only 10 rupees. It means their cost is 90 rupees. So here the cost is 75%, but here the cost is 90%. So obviously the company which is able to control the cost and report better profit will be considered as more efficient. And that's the reason most of you have answered in favor of A because you calculated this, you got a picture of this, you compared with this, and you realize that B is less efficient when compared with A. So here, understand, when I asked you which company is more efficient just by giving a one information, a standalone information called profit, most of you answered in favor of B. You didn't even think about A. Okay. But when I gave you one more piece of information, which is sales, which is comparable with profit, you have compared the profit with sales, and knowingly or unknowingly, you have calculated what is known as profit margin of a business. This profit margin, remember, is a financial ratio. This profit margin is a financial ratio expressed in percentage form. Simple. This profit margin is a financial ratio expressed in percentage form. So now connect the dot. Without ratio, you took a decision and you selected B. With ratio, you selected A. Now tell me which is better decision. Is it selecting B or selecting A? Which is better decision? Please tell me. Please tell me. Without ratio, you selected B. But with ratio, you have selected A. It means here the better decision is selecting A, and that was made possible because of financial ratio. Are you getting me? This is the real purpose of financial ratios, to enable you to take a better decision. As a layman, you will be inclined towards B, but as a finance professional or as a finance literate, you will select A only because the tool called financial ratio helped you to know the efficiency. Okay, so this is the real purpose of financial ratios. So let me conclude. Financial ratios are basically a relationship between two numbers. The only point is those two numbers should have some logic. Here we have related profit with sales. It had a logic because of that we were able to arrive at profit margin. Okay, so financial ratios are basically a relationship between two numbers. The relationship should be logical. If yes, then the ratio, what we get because of this, will give us more information about the scenario or the context, and that will enable us to take better decisions. Okay, and it's because of this reason banks and financial institutions, investors, finance professionals, business owners are widely using financial ratios, and this is the context I want to set for today's session, and we are going to continue our learning today in this model only. How many of you are able to connect with me in this teaching style? If you are able to connect and if you are inspired to learn more, not inspired with my teaching, if you are inspired to learn more, type inspired so we can learn many more things today in the same style. Why I'm asking for this? Because it's a old style teaching, not with the latest AI based or infographic, all those fundas, dumals, nothing. Simple notebook scribbling and teaching. Okay. If you are inspired, type inspired so we can move on. We can move on. Wonderful. I could see so many of you. Yes. Okay. So financial ratios is a big world. I just gave you or we just scratched the surface of it. You have to understand the financial ratios can be categorized into various type. They can be categorized into various type. I'll put it here. We can have a broad classification like number one, capital structure ratio. Number two, liquidity focused ratio. Number three, profitability centered ratio. Then ratios focusing on efficiency, ratios focusing on coverage. These are broad categories. It means under these categories, you can have a few to many more ratios also. For example, if you take capital structure, there can be one or two ratios. Liquidity, there can be two or three ratios. Profitability, you can have 5 to 10 ratios also. Efficiency, coverage, again 4 to 5 ratios. But this is a broad category. And if you ask me to rank these ratios, like which is the most important, I would say number one should go for capital structure ratio, rank number one. Rank number two should go for liquidity ratio, and I would put these ratios on equal footing. That is rank number three. One, two, three. One is for capital and liquidity is number two. But what could be little surprising for many of you is I have put the profitability in third rank and not in first rank. See, if you want to admire, okay, let me do one thing. I'll draw a house. Okay. Okay, again, age old teaching and drawing. Okay, it's a beautiful house. Visualize. Imagine this is a beautiful house. If you have to admire, if you have to admire the beauty of this house, what is important? The foundation should be strong. The foundation laid for this house should be strong. If the house is beautiful and if the foundation is weak, what will happen? A small quake, earthquake can collapse this, or a flood can wash away this. So what is important? Foundation is very important. I'm admiring the beauty. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Okay, fine. I can relate all this with this. Profitability, efficiency, coverage, all are beauty. But if the building has to stand strong, foundation is important. Pillars are important. Okay, so this is foundation. These are all the pillars. If foundation is weak, if the pillars are not strong, then whatever be the beauty, that business can collapse if some events affect the business. Here I have given the example of earthquake, floods. For business, it could be recession. For business, it could be, let's say, like lockdown, COVID. For business, it could be government policies. For business, it could be loss of key customer. Are you getting me? So, in that angle, what is important? A business should have a strong capital structure, which I'm equating with foundation. It should have comfortable liquidity, which I'm relating with pillars. And then comes profitability, efficiency, coverage, which are the beauty factors. Okay. If more profit, more beautiful. Less profit, beauty is coming down. But these are the base. So it's very important that as a banker, as a finance professional and business owner, you guys understand the importance of these two and then you focus on this. If you're keeping this very weak and if you're focusing only on this, then building will look good, but if a flood comes, everything will get washed away. Okay. So, how many of you have understood this, especially this comparison, and how many of you want to learn this very first ratio, that is capital structure ratio? If you want to learn, type CSR. And I will keep nudging you to comment like this now and then because I don't see any of you, right? Your cameras are not on. It's a webinar model. So, how do I know that you are attending this? How do I know you are actively listening? Only through comments. I'll ensure it's going to be like very, very short comments now and then. Okay. Yes. Capital structure ratio. Let's get started with capital structure ratio. To understand capital structure ratio, what we'll do, we will start with a balance sheet. I'm going to draw a balance sheet of a company. I'm going to draw a balance sheet of a company. And you have a task now. The task is I will write down some items. You have to tell me where we should park them. I will write down some items. You have to tell me where we should park them. See, the balance sheet you would have seen in real life vertical balance sheet, horizontal balance sheet. Both are one and the same. The presentation format is slightly different. The left hand side of the balance sheet basically communicates sources, that is, from where money is coming. Okay. And the right hand side will communicate uses. Okay. That is for what purpose that money has been used. So, who gave money and for what purpose that has been used. And that can be broadly categorized. Like money can come from owner sources, which we call as equity. Money can come also from outsiders, which we will call as outside liabilities. Got it? Money can come from owner sources, which we call as equity. It can also come from outside sources, which we will call as liabilities. And that money can be used for creating various assets. And assets, we will classify them as current assets. I'll explain what all this. We will classify them as current assets. We will also classify them as non-current assets. I'll explain what are these. Follow me closely. Okay, I told you money can come from equity and outside liability. Okay, so sources can be, see, for a business, who can give money? Owners. When owners are giving money, we collectively call them as equity. So the owner's money can be like the capital what they have contributed and the profits made by the business. Yes, capital is out of pocket of owners. Okay. It means owners is giving money to the business from his pocket. Profits are supposed to be the money that should go to the pockets of the owners. Okay. So if the owners are allowing profit to be reused in the business, it means owners are indirectly contributing. This is an indirect contribution. If owners are allowing profits to be reused in the business instead of taking home, they are saying, okay, let the profit be used in the business. It's an indirect contribution. Capital is a direct contribution by the owners. Then we said the funds can also come from outside liabilities. Apart from owners, business can also raise funds from outsiders. So when they are raising money from outsiders, they can raise money with a promise that they will repay within 1 year, with a promise they will repay after 1 year. Liability means repayable. They are not permanent fund. At some point, they have to be repaid. Owner's money is also repayable, but owner's money is repayable by the business entity to the owner in the event of closure of the business. But outside liabilities are money borrowed for a specific time period. As per the agreed time period, they got to be repaid. So there are some liabilities that are repayable within 1 year. There are some liabilities that are repayable after 1 year. What is repayable within 1 year will be classified as current liability. What is repayable after 1 year will be called as non-current liability. Okay, so this is how we classify the sources. So sources are equity, outside liability, and the bifurcation I have given you here. And I also told you uses. Okay, so let me put the uses over here. Uses. Uses can be classified into current and non-current. See, you are raising money from owners and outsiders and you are using it for two purposes. I told you it can be for non-current asset, it can be for current asset. What is current asset? That is using that money, you are acquiring some assets. It can be inventory, it can be receivable, whatever. The beauty of these assets is if you want, you can convert them into cash within a period of 1 year. So that's what we call as current asset. If you can convert an asset into cash within a period of 1 year, we call it as current asset. So non-current asset means opposite of this. That is, if you cannot convert the cash within a period of 1 year, meaning if it is going to take more than 1 year for conversion as cash, we call as non-current asset. Okay. Now this is the broader understanding. Now I'm going to test you whether you have understood this or not. Means I will give you some items. You have to tell me whether it should go to owners or outside liabilities. Then you have to tell me whether it should go to non-current asset or current asset. Okay, this is the game. Are you guys ready? Shall we start? If yes, listen. First item I'm writing here. First item. There is a trade credit. Trade credit of 10 crore. Where should we park this item? Trade credit. If you believe, okay, listen, don't answer now. If you believe it should come under equity, type EQ. If you believe it should come under outside liability, type OL. As of now, I'm going to ask questions only from the sources side, not the user side. Okay. When we come to users, I'll let you know. So now tell me trade credit 10 crore, where we should park it? Should it go under equity EQ or outside liability OL? Please participate. It should go to outside liability because this is not contributed by the owners. Yes. So we will put that here. Trade credit 10 crore. Okay. Now I'm writing the other item. Share capital. Another 10 crore has come. Who will contribute for share capital? Owners will be contributing. Okay. So share capital 10 crore should come under equity. Owners area is equity. Good. Okay. Then there is cash credit availed from banks and financial institutions. 15 crore. Cash credit of 15 crore. Where we should park this? This should go to outside liability. Okay. Cash credit of 15 crore should go to outside liability. That is done. Okay. There is one more item. This business has made a lot of profits and retained them. Reserves and surplus, which is around 15 crore, where we should park this. Who is entitled to this money? Outsiders or owners? Owners are entitled to this money. So this should ideally go to reserves and surplus, should go to equity. Okay. Then this business has also taken a term loan. They have taken a term loan of 25 crore. Where we should park this? Term loan of 25 crore. Term loan, Hilal, term loan. Hilal, but it should go to outside liabilities. Yes, it should go to outside liability. Okay, now you see this business has mobilized total 25 crore from owners and they have mobilized total 50 crore from outsiders. So the total funds mobilized is 75 crore. It means on the right hand side, that is on the asset side, there will be 75 crore worth of assets comprising current and non-current assets. They have mobilized 75 crore and they have uses of 75 crore. I'm getting message from Bakul, what is webinar password? We don't provide any password. If they have signed up, they'll be able to register and log in. Okay, Bakul? Yeah, listen. Come back, come back. So what is happening now? 75 crore funds have come in. We have to find out the uses where this 75 crore has been used. And already I have given you a glimpse that if it is used for current creating an asset which is convertible into cash within a period of 1 year, we'll call it as current asset. If it is used for opposite of this, we will call it as non-current asset. We will call it as non-current asset. Now listen. I will give you some items. You have to tell me where it is going to come. Maybe I'll put the classification here, current asset and non-current asset. Then eventually we'll take the total over here. This business has invested in goods, raw material, work in progress, finished goods. Where we should park this? Arti, term loan. Today, 3 p.m. we have a dedicated session. Please attend that for learning term loan. Okay? Yeah. So this inventory should come under current asset because you can convert this into cash within a period of 1 year. That is the general understanding. Okay. So inventory means current assets that can be converted into cash within a period of 1 year. Then let's say this business has invested in land and building. Is it current or non-current? You are not going to sell it. Land and building you have built or acquired for long-term use. Unless and until you are a real estate dealer where you buy and sell land and building. Okay. For them, it can be a current asset, but for others, it's going to be non-current asset. Okay. Then this business has paid advances to suppliers. Advances to suppliers. Current or non-current? It is current. Okay, because I paid advances, he will give me goods, which I will convert into cash within a period of 1 year. So current asset. Then this business has invested a good amount of money in plant and machinery. Current or non-current? Current or non-current? It is non-current asset. Okay. This business has sold goods on credit and created a class of asset called debtors, which they will pay me in another 45 to 90 days. Current or non-current? It is current because it can be converted into cash within a period of 1 year. Okay. Then this business has made some investment. We'll call it a strategic investment. They made a strategic investment in Y Limited. So let's say this is X Limited. X Limited has made a strategic investment in Y Limited. Strategic investment means this Y Limited, in Y Limited, this X Limited is holding 51% shares. They only control the composition of board of directors of Y Limited. They take part in operational decisions. So from all these angles, this is a strategic investment and not a random investment or not a surplus parking. It's not like they had some surplus funds, so they have invested in Y Limited. No, they are owning 51%, majority of the shares. They are deciding the composition of board of directors. They are taking part in operational decisions. It means this strategic investment is not made with an intention to sell it in the market and convert as cash. It is rather made with a long-term intention. Long-term intention. So tell me, is it current or non-current? It is non-current asset. So we will say strategic investment in Y Limited is non-current. Okay. Then this company has also invested a good amount of money in building ERP. Okay. They believe the benefits of this ERP will spread across so many years, so many years. So where will you classify this software? It is non-current asset. But whether you can touch and feel the software, whether you can touch and feel the software, answer is no. So is it tangible or intangible? Is it TA or IA? TA means tangible asset, IA means intangible asset. This is an intangible asset. Okay. So this software is a non-current asset because the benefit is for a longer term, but it is not tangible in nature. It is intangible. So we can say under non-current itself, there are three different classes of asset. There are three different classes of asset. One you can see comes under the heading plant property equipment. So land building machinery all comes under a heading called plant property equipment. In the olden days, we used to call it as fixed assets. Now we call it as PPE, plant property equipment. And this strategic investment in Y Limited is a financial asset. Okay. Because what the company is having on hand as a proof of this investment is only a paper. But through that paper, it is controlling another company. So it's a financial asset. And the software is not something which you can touch and feel. So it is classified as intangible asset. It is classified as intangible asset. Is this clear so far? If it is clear, just give me a thumbs up, all of you. Just give me a thumbs up because our real analysis is going to start only after this. What we were laying till now is only foundation. Strategic investment in Y Limited. SI in Y Limited is strategic investment in Y Limited, which I have explained already. Okay. So what we will do now, we'll just take a total of it. Instead of writing down all the item, I'm just going to say non-current asset is 35 crore and inventory, advance to suppliers, debtors, some cash and bank balances all put together. I'm calling it as current asset and that is like 40 crore. So you see, this company has mobilized 75 crore from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sources, and that 75 crore has been used for investing in current asset and used for investing in non-current asset. Got it? Hilal is asking whether strategic investment is an intangible asset. No, I told you it is classified as financial asset. It is classified as financial asset. Basically, it comes under the heading called investments. It comes under the heading called investments. Now listen. What is our job now? We have to do the capital structure analysis. In capital structure analysis, do you know what we are going to do? We are going to analyze the capital structure. We are going to analyze capital structure, right? Yes, we can't use the word fixed assets. We have to use PPE, plant property equipment. Now listen, all of you. What we are going to do, we have to analyze capital structure. That is how the capital that has come into the business is structured. We are going to analyze how the capital that has come into the business is structured. If you look at this business, capital has come from two sources. What are the sources? It has come from outside liability. It has come from equity. Is it not? The funds that have come from outside liability is put together 50 crore and funds that have come from equity is 10 plus 15, 25 crore. This is the funds that have come here. I repeat, in capital structure ratio, we are analyzing the capital structure. That is how the capital is structured. Capital means money that has come into the business. It's not confined to share capital. It's overall capital. The capital for this business has come from outside liability. It has come from owners as well. What has come from outside liability is 50 crore. What has come from owners is 25 crore. And in capital structure analysis, we will compare that 50 crore outside liability with 25 crore, and that gives us an output. 50 by 25 is equal to 2. 50 by 25 is equal to 2. And when you express that as a ratio, it will be expressed as 2 is to 1. And now it will tell you a big story. What is that? 50 crore of outside liability when compared with the owner's contribution of 25 crore is giving the value as 2, which is expressed as 2 is to 1. It means whenever owners are contributing 1 rupee in the business, there is an outside liability of 2 rupees. Whenever owners are contributing 1 rupee in the business is going and borrowing 2 rupees outside. It means whenever 3 rupees is coming into the business, you can get a picture. Two-third, that is 67 percentage of the money for the business is coming from outside liabilities, and one third, that is 33 percentage, is what coming from owners. Are you able to see the big picture now? Now, just by looking at this ratio 2 is to 1, you can get the pulse of who is funding this business and how much. If the ratio is 2 is to 1, you can automatically conclude owners are contributing only 33% and outsiders are contributing two-thirds, that is 67 percentage. How many of you got this big picture? This is big picture. Why? Because if you go and stand close to the 75 crore, you will not know who has funded the 75 crore. You will see big, big building, big, big machinery, all those. So much of inventory stock. But who has funded all this? 67 percentage of the 75 crore, that is 50 crore, is funded by outsiders, and 33%, only 25 crore, is funded by owners. Now, this understanding is the key for appreciating the capital structure of a business. Because for an outsider, this 75 crore may be an asset fully owned by the business. Yes, it is true, it is owned by the business. But on the other side, they also have an obligation to the extent of 67% value of these assets, which is 50 crore, which an outsider may not know. Okay. So this is what we call as capital structure ratio, but it is still in its very nascent stage. It is in its very raw form. Bankers are not going to settle with this ratio. They're not going to settle with this ratio because for calculating this ratio, we took 50 crore, which is real, but we also took 25 crore, which bankers suspect whether it is real or not. Balance sheet says it is real. Balance sheet says capital is 10 crore, reserves and surplus is 15 crore. Obviously, the owner's money is 10 plus 15, 25 crore. This is what balance sheet says. But bankers are not ready to accept this. Why? Because they believe this 25 crore may have some notional items. This 25 crore may have some unrealizable items. So they want to dig this further. They will dig this further. Across the world, bankers are doing that. And we can also do that now. And that's what I'm going to call as unboxing number 2. It means what we have done now is unboxing number 1. We have understood what is the base capital structure, which is 2 is to 1, which helped us to interpret owners are contributing 33% for the business, outsiders dependence is 67%, but this is only the scratching the surface, layer level. We have to dig deeper. We have to excavate. We have to go further and further. So, are you ready for unboxing number 2 so that you can understand whether this is the real ratio or is it something better than this or something worse than this? How many of you are ready for unboxing number 2? Type UB2. Type UB2, it means you are ready for unboxing number 2. So you can get even more finer picture of what is the real situation of this company. Yes? Okay. We'll do one thing. Let me copy this page. Now, if I have to do further excavation, if I have to dig deep, I have to read further. Now I'm just reading the balance sheet. I just want to tell you, if you want to analyze a business, reading balance sheet and P&L alone will not help because they give only numbers. They all will carry makeup. Okay, all beautification will be done, all makeups will be done, and devils are in the details. Balance sheet and P&L on the face may not tell you many things. It will be presented like broom and bride. Okay, but only when you go to notes to accounts, you will see the real picture. So what I did, I went to notes to accounts and accounting policies of the balance sheet, which I don't have here, but I'll present it for you. When I went to the notes to accounts and accounting policies pages, I noticed they were carrying a land worth 2 crore. They were carrying a land worth 2 crore, not worth, original cost. They purchased the land for 2 crore few years back. But in this balance sheet, they have written the value of the land as 7 crore. Okay. So look at this. The original cost of the land, the price they paid for purchasing the land few years back is 2 crore. But in the balance sheet, they are writing the value of the same land as 7 crore. It means they have artificially added 5 crore. They have artificially added 5 crore. Now, if you think they have altered the balance sheet, they have manipulated the numbers, they are cheating the readers, the answer is no. If they have done that, they would not have mentioned anything in the notes to accounts or in the schedules. They have very clearly stated that land purchased at 2 crore is now rewritten as 7 crore. It means they did a revaluation exercise. They did a revaluation exercise. They revalued the land. Why? Because when they purchased it was 2 crore, but today in the market, the same land can be sold for 7 crore because of the developments in the locality. So they also want to carry the land in their balance sheet at the same market value. So they engaged a valuer. They got a valuation report, and based on the report, they have added 5 crore. It means here the original figure was actually 30 crore. With that, they added 5 crore in the name of a revaluation gain. What does that mean? This was originally 30, but now it is 35. It means this 75 was originally 70. With 70, they have added 5. So what does that mean? On the left hand side also, originally it was 70 only. Some 5 crore was artificially added. Why? To balance this. Because balance sheet should balance, right? You cannot have one total on one side and the different total on the other side. Both side total should balance. That's why we call it as balance sheet. So since they have added 5 crore here, they also added 5 crore here on the left hand side. And I'll tell you where that 5 crore was added. That 5 crore was added in this head called reserves and surplus. Yes, reserves and surplus includes an item called revaluation reserves, and that is 5 crore. And this is nothing but mirror of this. Mirror of this. Because here the asset value they have artificially added 5 crore. To compensate that, to balance that, they have also created a revaluation reserve. So 5 crore added here, 5 crore added here. It means both sides 5 crore added, balance sheet is tallied. Okay. But banks and financial institutions are always little finicky about this revaluation gain because they feel that this is an opinion. This is not real. This is an opinion. Yeah, this is not real. The company has not received 5 crore from anyone, or the company has not paid 5 crore to anyone. This is an opinion based on valuation report. And this valuation was not done by the bank, it was done by the company itself. So there is a high chance the banks believe that they can be biased. There's a high chance. See, if the bank has done for the purpose of collateral security valuation, that is a different game altogether. Here, the company itself has revalued its assets by engaging its own valuers. So the bank believes that what is the guarantee? This 5 crore anticipated increase in value of the asset is real. So bank says, if you want to do, you do. You do revaluation, you increase the value, whatever you want to do, you do. But we will not mind about this. We'll give damn dash about this. Okay? It means banks are going to ignore this revaluation gain. If they are ignoring on this side, then on this side also they have to ignore this 5 crore. Okay? Are you guys with me? Because this is notional. Bank believes this is notional. This is not real. So they are ignoring. And the mirror effect is they have to ignore the revaluation gain that is included in the reserves and surplus. So this reserves and surplus is basically 10 plus 5, 5 of revaluation reserve. Now there is an effect. If we are going to ignore this, if we are going to ignore this 5 crore, what is going to happen now? We thought reserves and surplus is 15. That's how we calculated 10 plus 15 is 25 crore. But now it is becoming like 10 plus 10 only. It is no more 15. It is 10 plus 10 only. It means it's time for us to change our understanding of equity. It is no more 25 crore. It is 25 minus 5. That is 20 crore. Okay. So this is the logic. It means I have to change this number. Shall I modify it as 20 crore? Shall I modify it as 20 crore? If yes, please type 20 so I can go ahead and modify this. Please type 20. We carried it as 10 plus 15, 25 crore, but that included an opinionated figure of 5 crore in the name of revaluation reserve, which we are excluding because this side we are ignoring the revaluation gain. So I'm forced to change the understanding of equity. It is not 25, it is 25 minus 5, it is 20. This 25 is our equity figure. From equity, we are deducting revaluation reserve. So from equity, if I deduct revaluation reserve, what I will get is called as net worth. Guys, make a note of it. This is called net worth. Net worth is equity minus revaluation reserve. So I will not call this as equity anymore. This is going to be net worth. Net worth. Net worth is around 20 crore. Got it? Net worth is around 20 crore. It means our understanding of capital structure of this business is undergoing a change, you see. Few minutes back, we thought outside liability is 50, owner's contribution is 25, but now the owner's contribution is renamed as net worth and it is 20 crore only, but outside liability remains at 50. So let us compare this now. 50 is going to be compared with 20 crore and not 25 anymore. 20. So if I compare 50 with 20, what I get is 2.5 is to 1. What I'm going to get is 2.5 is to 1 and not 2 is to 1. And what does this mean? Whenever this business is raising 1 rupee from the owners, it is raising 2 rupee 50 paise from outsiders. See, our understanding got shattered. We thought whenever owner is contributing 1 rupee, business is raising 2 rupees from outsiders. But now it has come to light that no, 2 rupee understanding is wrong. They are borrowing 2 rupee 50 paise from outsiders. It means whenever the business is raising 2.5 and 1, that is whenever the business is raising 3 rupee 50 paise overall, for that 250 out of 350, 250 out of 350 is coming from outsiders and it is not 67%. Can someone tell me what is the percentage? And 1 out of 350 is what coming from owners. So please understand, whenever, see, we compared 50 with 20, we got the value as 2.5, we expressed it as 2.5 is to 1. It means whenever the business is raising 3 rupee 50 paise, for that 250 out of 350 is coming from borrowed money. So what is 250 out of 350? Let me show you. 250 out of 350 is 71 percentage. 71 percentage of the money for the business is coming from outsiders. It means only 29 percentage is coming from owners. Are you able to see this shift? You thought, or we thought, Owners are contributing 33%. We thought, good, owners are contributing 33%, which is one third. But owners are contributing only 29%. We thought they are depending on outsiders only for 67%. But no, their dependence on outsiders is 71 percentage. Look, one extra step in our analysis. What we did, we just went to notes to accounts and schedules. We noticed there is a revalued asset. When we built that, when we factored that, our understanding of the capital structure ratio has undergone a change. It is not 2 is to 1, it is 2.5 is to 1. It is not 33%, it is 29%. It is not 67%, it is 71%. But banks are not going to stop with this. They know they have just factored one element called revaluation. Like this, there can be many other elements that are sitting in a disguised form inside this. They still doubt they still doubt the originality of this 20 crore. They still doubt whether it is really 20 crore or is it less than this. And if you want to understand that, you should be ready for next level of unboxing. Are you ready for unboxing number 3? Because what we did now is unboxing number 2. If you're ready for unboxing number 3, type UB3, so I will take you further. Type UB3 if you are really enjoying the session, if you're getting some value in the session as well. Okay. Okay, good. I could see so many of you. Yeah. So what we'll do, we will go and read the financial statements further. See, yesterday we had one case study session for Diamond members. It was a very long case study. It took almost 3 sessions for us. First session was like 75 minutes. Second session was 60 minutes, and third session yesterday we had it almost for 120 minutes, 2 hours. So it's a single case study, which almost was like more than 4 hours. And the entire focus of the case study is reading balance sheet and putting the focus on reading notes to accounts and schedules because devils are in the details. Balance sheet P&L will have masking. They will look good from outside. But when you go and read it along the notes to account, alongside of notes to accounts, you will get to know they are really playing with numbers. Okay. That's why you should always go and read notes to accounts, notes to accounts. Okay. Right. Now let's go and do unboxing number 3. So when I started doing unboxing number 3, I took the notes to accounts very seriously and I went and read other paragraphs. And that's where I noted down something very important. And already I indicated to you also. Yes, this company, I told you they have invested. They have invested in software. I think somewhere here I written that. Okay, I wrote that in a hiding pen. Fine, disappearing pen. I told you this company has also invested in software, right? So when I check the notes to accounts, especially the fixed asset schedule, the intangible schedule, I noticed they have a software. They have invested a significant amount in the software, let's say around 8 crore. Fine. Investing 8 crore is not a big thing. For them, it is around 10 to 11% of their total asset. But the point is, if something happens to this company, and if this company have to be closed down, I'm just saying from the extreme angle, okay? If something happens to companies, say some government policies or force majeure or a lockdown or say geopolitical issues or tariff issues, and because of uncontrollable factors, if this company has to be closed down, then what will follow naturally? What will follow when a business is closed down? That business will try to sell all its assets, it will realize money and it will settle off the liabilities. After settling the liabilities, if anything is available, that will be given to owners. That's the normal logical flow. Now, if we assume this company is closed, what will be their next step? They will take possession of all this or they will sell all this. When they sell this 40 crore, they may get 40 crore or something less than that. And when they're trying to sell this 35 crore, that's where they realize this 35 crore also includes a software. This is a software which is uniquely built for this company. All the steps, all the processes, everything is created for this company only. It cannot be used by any other company also. So unless and until this company is altogether acquired by another company, okay, unless and until when the business is closed, unless and until this company is altogether acquired by another company with all current asset and non-current asset, this software cannot be sold independently. If someone is buying the entire company, then the software will also be included in the overall valuation. But if they are selling the assets on piecemeal basis, each and every asset individually, then one asset that will fetch no value is software, no value. Are you with this? Just give me a thumbs up. That is, in the event of closure of a business, if there is one asset that will not fetch any value, that cannot have any sale value or realizable value, means that could be this software because it is unique to the company. On a piecemeal basis, you cannot sell this software. It means the net realizable value will be zero. Net realizable value will be zero. So, out of the 75 crore, 8 crore, it is in the asset list, but the realizable value is going to be zero. So, do you know what the banks and financial institutions are going to do that? They'll say, if in the eventuality of a closure of a business, if it is going to fetch no value, then why to consider it now? The company will argue, hey, we are classifying it as asset. We have followed accounting standards. Law permits. They will give all the reasons for why they are classifying it as an asset. But banks will say, we will look at from eventuality point of view. We will look at everything from default point of view. You look at everything from a promising point of view, like everything is going to grow. We will always look at everything from what will happen if someone dies. That's the hard reality, harsh truth of banking. Am I correct? Does that make sense? Type MS if that makes sense. Bankers, they are agents of public, right? So they should always look at that extreme eventuality. What will happen if a person dies? What will happen if a business is closed? What will happen if a business collapses? How the bank is protected? What assets can be sold? What assets will fetch some value? So in that context, this software is useless. So banks will say, you continue carrying 8 crore. You are following law. You are a law abiding citizen. You are a law abiding business entity. But we don't want to break the law also. But in our analysis, we have all liberty and right to factor this because it's of no use. So banks will ignore the 8 crore sitting inside this 35 crore. Yes, they will ignore. They will ignore. Let it be 8 crore or 80 crore. They will say no use. Why? Because it will not fetch anything. So if they ignore 8 crore, the mirror effect is 8 crore have to be ignored over here also. From where you can remove that 8 crore? Please tell me from where you can remove that 8 crore. Can you go and tell your lenders or suppliers or cash credit that please absorb this 8 crore? No. The only source available for you to adjust that 8 crore is equity. If reserves and surplus are available, go and adjust it. And I think it is still available because 15 crore was the reserves and surplus. Out of 15, we deducted 5 in the name of revaluation reserve. It means another 10 crore is still available. Another 10 crore still available. So from the 10 crore, let us go and deduct software 8. It means reserves and surplus will become 2. Share capital will continue at 10. It means 10 plus 2. Our understanding of owner's contribution will become 12 crore. What we have as 20 will become 12. Are you guys with me? We calculated owner's contribution. We revised it in the name of net worth because from 25 we deducted 5, we made it as 20. Right? It is not 25, it is 25 minus 5, 20. But from 20, we have to deduct 8 and we have to modify it as 12. Are you ready to modify this as 12 crore? Are you ready to modify this as 12 crore? If yes, please type 12. So I will modify this. Please type 12. Please type 12. By that number. By that number. Write that number. Okay. So let me modify this. It means I am modifying the number as 12 crore. When I'm modifying this, Asha is saying as a business, no. Yes, Asha. Business owner point of view, I agree. But lenders, bankers, I'm sorry, they will do business only in this way. You have your own, I hope you're doing business. You have your own norms, right? And they have their own norms. Okay, listen. So now I have modified the net worth as 12 crore. But it is not net worth. Why? Because already we calculated net worth as 20 crore. This cannot be net worth now. It is modified net worth. Okay, but let's give a name for this. Let's give a name for this. So what I'll do one thing. Let me borrow some space. Okay. Look at this. We calculated the net worth as equity minus revaluation reserve net worth. Now, it is from the net worth of 20 crore, we deducted the intangible asset of 8 crore and we landed in 12 crore. Is it not? 20 minus 8, we landed in 12. This net worth included this intangible item and that we have excluded now. It means what we have now is only tangible net worth. Am I correct? Because this is the total net worth, which included both tangible and intangible. From the total net worth, I have removed the intangible item. So what I have now is only tangible net worth. Okay. So this 12 crore is nothing but tangible net worth. Please type TNW. This 12 crore is nothing but tangible net worth of a business. Type TNW if you have bought this concept. So if any of you have question in your mind as to what is tangible net worth, this is. Tangible net worth is nothing but net worth minus intangible asset. Maybe for your understanding, I'll put the flow here. We started with capital and we added reserves and surplus, which we called as equity, right? From equity, we deducted revaluation reserve and we landed in net worth, right? From net worth, we are deducting intangible asset and we are landing in tangible net worth. Tangible net worth, in short, it is called as TNW. Capital plus reserves gave us equity. Equity minus revaluation reserve gave us net worth. Net worth minus intangible asset is giving us tangible net worth. So I am renaming this as TNW. It means I also want to rename this OL. What is this OL? OL is 50 crore. What is this 50 crore? 50 crore is nothing but total of this. 25 plus 10 plus 15. It is total of outside liability. So it is nothing but what? Total outside liability. So I wish to rename this as TOL. Okay. If you're buying this, type TOL. Type TOL if you're buying this concept. So we have TOL of 50 crore and TNW of 12 crore. We have TOL of 50 crore and TNW of 12 crore. So now we are going to do a very, very important and critical analysis that's called TOL by TNW analysis. Yes, we started by comparing the outside liability with equity. Then we compared the outside liability with net worth. Now I modified the outside liability as total outside liability. The amount remains the same. And owner's contribution is now renamed as tangible net worth. And now if I compare these two, 50 by 12, what is the number you're going to get? 50 divided by 12, what you're going to get is 4.17. Yes, 4.17, which we express as 4.17 is to 1. It means whenever owners are contributing 1 rupee in the business, there is an outside contribution of 4 rupee 17 paise, or let's say there is a liability of 4 rupee 17 paise. So what does that mean? Whenever these two funds come together, that is 517, 417 plus 1, 517 comes together. 417 out of 517, 417 out of 517 is coming from owner's money, sorry, outsiders' money. And 1 out of 517 is coming from owners. And now you express that in percentage. 417 out of 517 translates to almost like 81%. 81 percentage of money for this business is coming from outside sources, and 19 percentage is the money that is coming from owners. Are you able to see this picture? Are you able to see this picture? Owners' contribution in this business is only 19%. Dependence on outsiders is 81%. What was our initial perception? Initially, what we thought? Initially, we thought owners are contributing 33%. We thought dependence on outsiders is like 67%. That was the situation when the capital structure ratio was 2 is to 1. But when we removed the revalued asset, it had become 2.5 is to 1. And that's when outsiders contribution increased to 71 and owners contribution came down to 29. And when we removed the software, it has become 4.17 is to 1. It means dependence on outsiders is a whopping 81%, and owner's contribution has come down to 19%. Guys, are you able to see this? With every further reading of the financial statement, this is what a layman will look at. This is what a financial student will look at. This is what an average banker will look at. Average banker. It means we are yet to go to the next level, professional, expert level. Only then you will know what is the real capital structure of the business. This is the beginning. This is just step one. You are just becoming an average. It means this is unboxing number one, number two, number three, and we have not reached the final yet. What we have reached now is called as TOL by TNW. Let me tell you, there is also something known as TOL by adjusted TNW. And let me tell you, there is also something known as adjusted TOL by adjusted TNW. So, if you go into this zone, you will think like an professional, a successful professional, banking and finance professional. And if you go and do this calculation, that's when you become an expert. That's when you become an expert. How many of you want to upgrade to the next level? You started as layman, then you got into the student zone. Now you are at average banker level. You have understood. See, with all this shift, all this movement, what you are learning, what you are seeing is not true. And that is very important skill for banker. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm warning you. What you are seeing. We always say seeing is believing, right? We always say seeing is believing. But I'm telling you, what you are seeing is not always true. You have to dig deeper. You have to dig further. You have to ask questions. You have to, if required, interrogate. Then only things will come out. If you read thoroughly the financial statements, the annual report, the notes to accounts, the schedules, from there itself you'll get so many information. But if you're going to just base your decision just by looking at the P&L and balance sheet, you're just seeing there is a growth in sales, wonderful. There is a growth in profit, wonderful. Assets are increasing, wonderful. Then you will say all three things are good. Sales are growing, profits are growing, assets are growing. Then why not loan? Loan can also grow, no? So you go and give loan. No, no, no. Never get into that trap. Never get into that trap. Before taking that final decision on giving more loan, just by looking at the increase in sales, profit, and assets, you have to really go deeper and read the notes to accounts. Devils are in the details. I'm again and again, I'm telling you. Our diamond members will agree with that because they have seen such a comprehensive case in the past three sessions. Devils are really, really in the details. Okay. So we have done unboxing number one, unboxing number two, unboxing number three, and we have reached a stage where We have realized that owners have not contributed even 20%, but for the outside world, it gives an impression owners have contributed 33%. If you are looking at from outsiders, layman point of view, you will also conclude in this business owners have contributed 25 crore. Yes, for outside world, in the balance sheet, it is 25 crore only. Still, it is same. But we know it is not 25 crore. Effectively, it is 12 crore only. Probably they brought in 25 crore. Of that, 8 crore is went for software. Right? The 5 crore is only a notional item. So now we know it is not 25, it is 12. And if you go for unboxing number 4, unboxing number 5, you will be shocked to the core. It may not even be this 12 crore. It can be less than 12. It can be less than 10 also. It can be less than 12. It can be less than 10. And I fear that this ratio can increase to 7. It can increase to 10 also. So how many of you want to move from average banker to an expert level? If you want to move to an expert level, type expert, type expert. I've showed you, I've showed you. That is, in analyzing the capital structure, these three stages are not sufficient. You got to really become an expert. You got to really become an expert. And somebody asked me, what is the universal TOL by TNW for working capital? See, it all depends on bank's risk appetite. There are some banks which will say TOL by TNW means 2 is to 1. If it is more than 2 is to 1, please don't come to us. Some banks will say TOL by TNW means 3 is to 1. We will tolerate up to 3 is to 1. Beyond that, no. There are some banks which will say 5 is to 1. We will accommodate everyone, but we will charge you more interest. Okay. So depending on bank's risk appetite, they will take a call on this TOL by TNW. So we cannot prescribe any uniform level bank to bank based on the loan policy guidelines. They would have set some level as their threshold level, maximum level, beyond which they will not entertain new customers. If it is an existing customer, they are already wedded. They have to manage. If it is a new customer, they will say, we cannot tolerate this. We cannot tolerate this. Okay, so how many of you really want to move to that expert zone? You no more want to be an average. See, this is an average banker level. I think any banker who have worked in credit for 4 to 5 years will have this knowledge. But how many of you want to move to the next zone of becoming a successful banking and finance professional and expert level? Abhishek, if you want to learn all this, and how many of you want to move to that level? Type expert, type expert. Yes, I could see Deepthi, Chandan Saurabh, Ramesh, Hilal, Asha Gabriel, Niranjan Reddy, Prakash, Hiran Patel. Okay, so Devanand, in my opinion, is already an expert. If you want to move to that level where you can be an expert and you can analyze financials and take or have that expert level of insight, I invite you to continue your learning by joining our Diamond membership program. Yes, we have a membership program for banking and finance professionals and business owners who are serious about business growth, who are serious about their professional growth and career growth. If you're working in banking, you got to move from average banker to an expert banker. Bank should look upon you as a resourceful person. Bank should look upon you as a valuable asset. And if you are a professional, finance professional, then you should guide your organization, you should guide your client. And if you are a business owner, you should have thorough knowledge on all these areas. And that's where Diamond membership is going to help you. Yes, Diamond membership is a membership program which we created with an intention to create a continuous learning ecosystem. The objective is give you a continuous learning ecosystem. We call it as ecosystem because it is not just another course. Let me tell you, it is not just another course, but it also comes with courses. Yes, Diamond membership will give you access to 130 plus pre-recorded online courses which we have published in the domains of banking, credit, finance. Okay. So if you are a banker, if you are a finance professional, if you are a business owner, then It will give you 130 plus courses where you will learn so many aspects. What you have seen today is only a sample of it, in my opinion. It's just a sample of it. And by joining Diamond membership, you will get access to 150 plus ebooks, which we have published in the domains of banking, credit, finance. And the topmost is by joining Diamond membership, you will get access to all the live classes. Yes, we have conducted several live classes. We have conducted several live classes in the past 1.5 years. Each and every session is a value bomb. Uh, I just got a message from Devanand. Devanand was sending me this message to host, and I'm sharing that here. Okay, this is a message I received from Devanand. He's saying, please join. This is an excellent resource for everyone. This is definitely the best course resource available in banking. Yeah, thank you, Devanand, for that. See, we have conducted several live classes. I told you, even the last three sessions it's almost a 4 hours comprehensive case study discussion on balance sheet analysis itself. So you will get access to all the past live classes, whatever we have conducted so far. The recordings will be available. Plus, you can attend all the future live classes. That is, whenever we conduct live classes, whenever we conduct workshops, you can attend all of those. That's the main benefit of Diamond membership. See, today you sat here for 60 minutes. Are you distracted? Did you scroll your phone? Did you just jump to channel or anything, or you just stayed focused? Just tell me. You had diversions or you just focused? If you just focused, type focus. This 60 minutes, did that hooked you today? Yes. Did that hooked you today? Did you had that full-fledged concentration and focus? Yes, that's what our live classes will give you. Our live classes will ensure you are going to stay focused. You will not get distracted, right? And you will get access to all our future live classes. We may conduct workshops, we may conduct special webinars, paid sessions for others, but it will be free for you if you are a Diamond member. Yeah, that's the beauty of Diamond membership. Any live classes, any webinars, any workshops, whatever we are going to conduct, everything is free for you. It's like we are opening the door of the university for you where you can go and take up any courses. And by joining Diamond membership, you will also get access to a dedicated community in Telegram. Yes, this is a dedicated Telegram community. Actually, you will get access to two Telegram communities. One Telegram community is dedicated for Q&A. Any questions, let it be related to the files which you are handling, your professional matters. As long as it is connected to banking, credit, and finance, you can ask us, and we have team of mentors. They will come out with really comprehensive reply. This is Telegram Community 1 and Telegram Community 2, which is exclusively for sharing educational resources. Every day at 6 time intervals, every day at 6 time intervals, you will get educational resources. They may be in the form of Q&A, in the form of mind map. They'll be in the form of blogs, in the form of quizzes, in the form of short videos, in the form of latest developments. Okay, every day 6 intervals you'll be getting. And the topmost assurance is you also have an assurance. What is assurance? Assurance for unlimited access to all our future publications. Yes, in future, if we are going to come out with any courses, any ebooks, any templates, any test series, any short lessons, whatever the publications, e-publications, you will get access to all of them. And it's because of all this. See, it's an ecosystem. If you are comfortable with pre-recorded courses, you have 130 plus, and all the live classes will also be recorded. So you can access them anytime as per your convenience. If you want to read out, 150 plus ebooks. If you want to learn live, attend the live classes. If you want to learn through short micro bite-sized learning, 6 learning resources every day. All this will take maximum 1 minute reading time. But a constant exposure to reading like this will also improve your skills. And The best part is it is also giving you an assurance for future. Whatever we are going to publish in future, you will get access to that. And it's because of all this only 2,500 plus learners have already upgraded to Diamond membership. Yes, they have enrolled in various courses and they have upgraded to Diamond membership. And if you are serious, if you are really serious about moving to this zone of expert, because when you become expert, you will become more valuable, resourceful person in your organization. If you are a finance professional, your clients will value you differently. And if you are a business owner, you will have absolute control over your business. And it means growth is the next step. Okay. So if you want to join this membership today at a very, very, very special offer price, because on 30th July was my birthday. So we floated a special offer for Diamond membership. So many have upgraded to Diamond membership on that day at that special offer price. We offered it like once in lifetime offer. I'm repeating that today because Sunday session is always special for us. Many bankers, finance professionals, and business owners, they attend the session. So if you are ready to take you to the next level, I'm going to give you a special offer for upgrading to Diamond membership. What you have to do now is open your WhatsApp, type this number 90251 00249. I repeat, type this number 90251 00249 and send me this message called Sunday Diamond. Send me this message called Sunday Diamond. Do it now, do it right now. And whoever going to send me the message, who are going to send me the message now will get a special offer for upgrading to Diamond membership. And what I'm going to give you now today is a lifetime membership. Arti, it's a lifetime membership. Yes, I will give you a special offer and I'll do one thing. Let me also give you a link. Yeah, the number is on the screen. It is 90251 00249. Let me also put the link here. Whoever attending the session in your mobile now, kindly check the chat section. Whoever attending the session in your mobile, kindly check the chat section. I have placed the link. The number is 90251 00249. 90251 00249. Send me the message now. And whoever going to drop me the message, who are going to drop me the message will get that special offer for upgrading to Diamond membership. Yes, I just received the message from a learner from UAE, number starting with 971. I could see the name as me. Please tell me your name so that I can devise a special offer for you. And please, guys, if you have already enrolled in any of our course, please mention that so that you can bag an additional discount. You can get an additional discount. Yes. Send me the message Sunday Diamond. Asha. Okay. Asha, you are from UAE, right? Yes, Asha. So, Asha, here we go. This is the normal offer we have for Diamond membership. This is the normal offer we have for Diamond membership. But since you have attended this session and you are very active, I noticed you are participating. So I want to really extend a special discount for you. Are you ready for a special discount? Are you ready for a special discount? If you're really serious, just let me know. I will give you a discount which will be lesser than the offer, initial offer. Abhishek, please connect with me through WhatsApp. Please use that link and send me the generated message. I will send you a special offer. And Asha, yes, you're really serious? Okay, Asha. So Asha, if you're really serious and if you want to get the benefit of Diamond membership for lifelong, here is your offer. Kindly check your WhatsApp. Kindly check your WhatsApp. I have sent you that special offer. If you're upgrading now, right now, you can get a lifetime membership. You can attend so many sessions like this. You can gain at most much needed clarity in many, many matters on areas of finance, business finance. Okay. So go for it. Let me know once you're done with the payment. And MV Ramesh, we just received your message. Here we go, Ramesh. Ramesh, I appreciate you. You are our existing learner and you are showing interest in Diamond membership. It means for existing learners, especially those who are attending the session, we have this special offer always. So, Ramesh, are you ready to join now? Are you ready to join now? If you are joining now, you can get into the diamond membership at the special offer price. So Ramesh, here we go. I have sent you the offer. Kindly check your WhatsApp now. If you're joining now, you can get into the membership at the special offer price. And Ravi Goyal, you have purchased the course on 14th, right? Please allow 30 days to dispatch the book. It will take 30 days because it's a book printed on demand. Okay. It is printed on demand. You will get it in 30 days time. And I'm also sending you a guidance. Yeah. And Amit, I just received your message, Amit. Here we go, Amit. Amit, already you inquired for diamond membership, right? And we give you an offer as well. And you are our existing learner. You attended the session. So are you really serious, Amit? I just want to know because earlier also you inquired, but you didn't join. But if you're really serious, I can arrange a discount. If you're really serious, let me know. I will give you an offer. And Niranjan Reddy, just put your number. See, whoever have submitted, please put your number also in Zoom so that I will not miss out. Yeah. Yeah, Abhishek Pandey, I'll come to you. Amit, are you serious? If you are really serious, let me know. We can give you a special discount. Yes? Okay. So here we go, Amit. If you are joining now, right now, you can get into Diamond membership at this offer price. Okay, you will not get this offer once again. I swear, you will not get this offer once again. And Hiran, yes, we understand. Hiran, okay, go ahead. I am sending you the payment option. If you are enrolling now, you can join at this price. If you are joining now only, not anytime later. And I want to make it very strict. The offer is available now only. Okay, not later. Because see, now I'm interacting with you live. When I close this, the window is closed. Yeah. And Sunaina Rai, yes, we just received your message. Here we go, Sunaina Rai. Sunaina Rai, this is the normal offer we have for Diamond membership. But if you are joining now, I can arrange the special offer for you. This is a special offer, and I want you to really appreciate the worth and value of this membership program. Okay, do not underestimate it. Do not underestimate it. The value what you received today, it's that resource, it's that knowledge that is used by banks for taking thousands of crores of lending decision. Come on, thousands and thousands of crores of lending decisions are taken by using this knowledge and skill. Okay, please do not undermine this, right? And Arti, yes, I just received your message. Just give me a minute. You have already enrolled in our course. You have joined for 1 year access. Yes, here we go, Arti. Arti, this is the normal offer we have for Diamond membership. But since you are our existing learner, I'm going to give you a special offer. If you are joining now, Arti, kindly check. If you are joining now, you can get into Diamond membership at the special offer price. Please check. Please check. I've sent you the offer. And Niranjan, I'm just checking yours. Number is 7386. Yes, Niranjan, I just noticed your message and I think you have not enrolled in any of our course. Okay, you earlier talked about planning to get into those exams and all. Fine, fine. So Niranjan, here we go. This is our normal offer for Diamond membership. Now you have a picture of what we are offering in Diamond membership, right? If you are joining now, Niranjan, I can arrange this at a very, very, very special offer price. Offer is available now only. Go for it. Let me know once you are done with the payment. And Dikshit, yes, I've seen your message. Just give me a minute. I'm coming to you. Prakash, I have received your message. Prakash, please confirm. Are you referring to Diamond? Are you referring to Diamond? Can you please confirm? And I also got message from 8899. Okay. Diamond? Yes, yes. Okay. So here we go. This is the normal offer we have for Diamond membership. And if you are joining now, I can arrange a special offer. And this is the offer we have. Okay. Yeah. Abhishek, you are interested in Diamond membership and Whoever have filled the form for claiming your book, please be aware it will take 30 days to dispatch. 30 plus few days maybe there the transit time. Okay. So Abhishek, here we go, Abhishek. First of all, I wish to appreciate and you are very active in the session also. So Abhishek, appreciation and you are our existing learner. So if you are joining now, I am going to give you this special offer. Yes, if you are joining now, you can get into Diamond membership at the special offer price, Abhishek. This is the offer we have now for existing learner who have attended the session also. And Dikshit, coming to you. Yes, Dikshit Paramar. Okay, you are interested in the session. I think you just came to know about us very recently. You landed on our website on with WhatsApp on 30th July. And here we go, Dikshit. Dikshit, this is the normal offer we have for Diamond membership. But if you are really serious to position yourself as an expert so you can grow in your career, I have a very special offer for you. Yes, if you are joining now, I can extend this special offer for you. I can extend the special offer for you. So kindly check, Dikshit. I have arranged a special offer for you. Kindly check your WhatsApp. Kindly check your WhatsApp. We have that special offer. We have that special offer. If you're joining now, you can get into Diamond membership at this very special offer price. And Hiran Patel, yes, Hiran, congratulations. We have received your payment. We have received your payment. Let us all put our hands together to congratulate and welcome Hiran Patel for joining Diamond membership. Hiran, we have received your payment. We have successfully received your payment, and I'm going to arrange access. I'm going to arrange access for you. Can you please confirm your email ID? Please confirm your email ID so I can immediately arrange access for you. And whoever have initiated the registration, please keep me in loop. And whoever have completed the payment, let me know so that I can arrange access for you. Okay. Whoever have initiated the registration, keep me in loop. Whoever have completed the payment, kindly share me the payment proof so I can start arranging access. And Hiran Patel, can you please put your email ID? Okay, I got your email ID and arranging the access. And Hiran Patel, you really got at very, very special offer price. So here we go. Hiran, I'm going to arrange access for you now. Kindly have an eye on your inbox and WhatsApp. You'll be getting the confirmation message shortly. Yes, congratulations. Hiran Patel, congratulations. Congratulations. We have received your payment and we have activated Diamond membership for you. It means you will be getting acknowledgement messages. And yes, you already started getting them. Congratulations and warm welcome. You will be receiving 5 messages in your WhatsApp now. Message 2 will have a guidance video. Please watch that guidance video fully. Okay. And Prasanna, let me check your email ID. Let me check your email ID and see what membership you have. And whoever have initiated, let me know. Whoever have completed the payment, keep me in loop. Okay. Yeah, Prasanna Pavaskar, I'm just checking you have enrolled for credit and financial analysis course. Okay. Credit and financial analysis course is just one of those 130 courses. It is just one of those 130 courses. So, Prasanna, do you want to upgrade to Diamond membership? If yes, kindly drop a message. Okay, so let me share with you. This is the normal offer we have for Diamond membership, but since you have already enrolled by paying certain amount, I'm going to give you a special offer. If you are enrolling now, you need not pay that full amount. You can just make the balance amount, and it means you can join just by making this payment. Prasanna, kindly check your WhatsApp. I have sent you the details of the offer and some more details will follow immediately. And Manish, yes, Manish, we just received your message. Sorry for keeping you waiting. You are our existing learner. Really sorry for that. Manish, here we go. First of all, our appreciation for showing interest to upgrade. And here we go, Manish. Manish, you are our existing learner. So if you are joining now, you can upgrade your Diamond membership at the special offer price. Kindly check, Manish. I have sent you that offer now. If you are joining now, you can get into Diamond membership at this very, very special offer price. Any of you? Drop me a message but did not receive reply. Yeah, Prakash Madhavan. I'm sorry I kept you waiting. Sorry for that. Here we go, Prakash. Prakash, this is the normal offer we have for Diamond membership. But if you are joining now, I can arrange a special discount. You can get into Diamond membership at this very, very special offer price. Kindly check your WhatsApp now. I'm sending you that special offer. If you are joining now, you can get into Diamond membership at the special offer price. And anybody else drop me a message but did not receive reply from me? Kindly let me know so that I can arrange access. I can arrange access. And Asha, okay. Asha, you asked me a question. I'm a relationship manager in UAE fintech company. I want to know how it can help me. Asha, Diamond membership is like almost like an university. Okay. It has like 130 plus courses, several ebooks, several live classes, and so many other resources are available. You can just check the link for how many resources. See, Asha, first of all, whether today's session helped you, just answer me that. Whether today's session helped you to learn something, whether you are able to relate that with your business, just answer me this. Yes, okay. Then it's 1000x is what you will see in Diamond membership. Don't think I'm exaggerating. I'm saying it's 1000x. It's not 10x, 100x. I'm just saying 1000x. Okay. Because I'm the person who created all this. And I know what are the efforts that has gone in and how the learners have reacted to those learning resources at the end of each and every session. I always take feedback at the end of each and every session. Okay. If today's session added value for you, and if you want to learn many, many of the matters in banking, credit, finance related matters, and the beauty of a Diamond membership is you can ask for dedicated sessions. You can say is that in finance, I have little knowledge on this area. Why don't you take a session? If already we have conducted a session, we'll share that with you. If it is not there, we will create. Even today morning, I received a request. Sir, do you have a session on construction related funding? We checked and we have only ebook. So I told them, okay, this Friday, we will have a session on construction funding. Okay. In that way, you can make really effective, best use of Diamond membership. If all this makes sense, go ahead and join this. And this is a very special offer price. And please note, this offer price is available now. Okay, coming to you. Okay, you want QR code? Yes, I'm sending you the QR code. Here is a QR code. Just make the payment and share me the payment proof. Okay. And Aarti, coming to you. Yes, Aarti, it is included. And I could see one more learner just registered. Let me call out the name. I just noticed one more participant. Yes, Sunaina Rai. Sunaina Rai, congratulations. We have received your payment and I could see you have joined the course. So congratulations and warm welcome. Warm welcome. Yes, Sunil Roy. And whoever have received the offer, I want to tell you this is the best of the offer you have for this program. This is membership. This is lifelong learning. If you derived value today, and if that gave you that goosebumps moment, and if that gave you that enough inspiration that you should also become expert, then this is an opportunity rather than the offer. And let me tell you, if you want to really learn something much more valuable than this, you should be ready to spend at least 5 to 10 lakhs. And I can compete with them in terms of value. I can compete with them in terms of value. What they are going to provide you by charging 5 to 10 lakhs through executive MBA program, our educational resources will be much better than them because it is coming from my heart. Fine. So this is an opportunity, in my opinion, which you should not miss out at any cost. Arti, go ahead, complete the payment, share me the payment proof. Asha, I have given you the QR code, complete the payment. Manish, you are so serious. Are you able to get into? Are you able to get into the membership? If yes, kindly share me the payment proof. Kindly share me the payment proof and we will arrange access. And Prasanna, you received that okay, you are traveling, but the offer is available now only. If you are joining now, you can get this offer. Otherwise, the offer is gone forever. And Dikshit Paramar, Dikshit, we shared with you that special offer. If you're able to complete the payment, kindly let us know. And Hilal, are you here, Hilal? We offered you a special deal. If you're joining now, you get that. And Niranjan Reddy, we gave you that special offer. If you're done with the payment, kindly share me the payment proof. Okay. And one more thing, if you keep postponing this, what could happen is eventually the price will keep increasing. Price will keep increasing because we continuously add contents into diamond membership. We continuously add contents into diamond membership, and as a result, obviously it will increase. And I also got message from Dangi 93164. 93164. Can you please connect with me in the other number? Yeah, Dikshit, you can make payment through the link what I have shared. Okay, I'm also giving you a QR code if you want. Okay, so you can directly join through this, Dikshit. Or do you want to make payment through QR code? If you want to make payment through QR code, let me know. I'm also giving you the QR code. If you want, you can use that. Okay, Dikshit, I have given you my SBI QR code. 93164. Please connect with me through WhatsApp. Or, okay, I will also give you that link here. Are you aware what is the normal offer price of the diamond membership? This is the normal offer I'm giving you. This is the normal offer, but if you are joining now, I can arrange a special deal. It means you can get into diamond membership at the special offer price. If you are joining now, this is the offer you have. Okay, you can join through the link directly, or if you want QR code, let me know. Type QR, I will send you QR code. Okay, you can directly pay through this link. I have given the link in this message. Okay, let me know once you are done. Yes, I could see Asha initiated the registration. Asha, let me know once you are done. Immediately, I'll be arranging access. Yeah, Dikshit, I have sent you the QR code. Let me know once you are done. So immediately I can arrange access for you. I have taken your account. Once you confirm, I'll be adding the course. And Aarti, if you're done with the payment, kindly share me the payment proof. And kindly note the offer will expire when the session ends. And Prakash, okay. Aarti, you just click that X button no, on the top right. On the top right, there is a small X. Just touch that, it will close. So Hiran was the first to get into Diamond membership, followed by Sunaina Rai. Sunaina Rai got into the course, and Asha, Arthi, Dikshit, Dangi are in the process of joining. Let us know once you are done. And please note to all of you, the offer is available now only. When I close the session, the offer expires. Arthi, I'm giving you the QR code. You can directly join through this. Just complete the payment and share me the payment proof. I'll be arranging access. Okay. Yeah. And today by 3 p.m., we also have another session that's about term loan and project financing matters. So whether you are working in banking or non-banking, you should attend this because banks give term loan for business entities which are going for expansion, modernization, diversification, or starting something green, right? So what are those technical aspects which you have to take care? That's what this course deals with. Okay, you need QR code. I'm sending you. I'm sending you from the other number, Dangi. Kindly check your WhatsApp. I've sent you QR code from the other number. I could see Dikshit initiated the registration. Many of you asked for QR, but whether are you facing any challenge in QR payment? Asha, okay, noted. Sending you the other payment options. Asha, what is the challenge you are facing? Is the payment not going through or you are getting any error messages? Because I shared you QR code. And since you are from UAE, the international payment could be one reason. Oh, you don't have India card. Okay. Try making through this link because many students from UAE have enrolled. Okay. And let us put our hands together to congratulate and welcome Dangi. Dangi, yes, we have received your payment successfully. Dangi, what's your full name, first of all? Because your WhatsApp reads your name as Dangi, but I just want to know what's your full name. Let us all put our hands together to congratulate and welcome Dangi for making payment and getting into Diamond membership. It's Alok Dangi. And Aarti, congratulations. We have successfully received your payment. Yes, we have received payment from Alok, Dangi, and Aarti. Both of you, please put your email IDs so immediately I can arrange access. Okay, please confirm your email ID. WhatsApp me your email ID so immediately I can arrange access. And very successfully, we have also received the payment from Dikshit. Dikshit, congratulations. We have successfully received your payment and membership has been activated for you. You got the acknowledgement message. Congratulations. And Arti and Dangi, I have received your email ID. I'm going to add you as a Diamond member now. Just have an eye on your inbox. You'll be getting the confirmation message shortly. Yes, Dangi, congratulations. We have successfully added you as a Diamond member. And Aarti, I'm going to add you now. And Aarti, here we go. Aarti, congratulations. We have successfully added you as a Diamond member. It means in another few seconds, you will see messages flowing to you as well. Dangi, can you please check? Yes, you started getting the acknowledgement messages. Yes, that's a conclusive proof that you have been successfully added into Diamond membership. You'll be receiving 5 messages in your WhatsApp. Second message will have a guidance video. Please watch that guidance video fully. Please watch that guidance video fully. Yes, you can learn more. You can develop your skill. You can position yourself as an expert and you can ask doubts. You can ask as many questions. And if we don't have answers, do you know what we will do? We will learn for you. Yes, that's my assurance. We will never say that, no, we don't know. You go and find somebody. If you ask something and if we don't know, we will make it a point that we learn that and we will teach you. Okay, so congratulations, all Diamond members. Whoever, Asha is facing some challenges in completing the payment, but I hope Asha will be able to uh, sail through that and get into Diamond membership. Asha was very active learner today. So congratulations. And Aarti, you will also get access to those Tamil lectures as well. It is also included in your package. Okay. If any Tamil speaking learners are here, enrolled into Diamond membership, you are also eligible for Tamil courses. We have published 4 courses in Tamil as well. We also conduct live classes in Tamil. It means you can access those Tamil courses and Tamil lectures also. I know only Tamil and Malayalam as two additional languages. Sorry for other language speaking friends, but maybe with the development in AI, very soon we'll be replicating our courses in other languages also. It may happen in some time. We are positively expecting some development on that angle as well. So, congratulations, and once again, welcome to all of you into Diamond membership. And today by 3 p.m., we also have another session. It's going to focus on project finance and term loan related matters. Whether you are working in banking or non-banking, you are a business professional or business owner, I invite you to attend this session to get much needed clarity on these matters. Okay. Yeah. So congratulations and warm welcome once again. Once again. Thank you all. Bye bye. Asha, are you making any attempt to complete the payment now? Should I stay back or you'll be able to do it before end of the day? Just let us know. And other members, you can sign off. Alok, Amit, Dikshit, yes, we have received your payment and all the access has been arranged for you. Manish, you got that special offer, but we did not receive any response from you. And any of you who want to really join but unable to make payment in one shot, there is an option to make payment in parts. There is an option to make payment in parts. I'll give you that. For Prakash Madhavan, if you're really serious and you can't make full amount, but you're ready to make payment in parts, then this will help you. Manish, kindly check this message. Prasanna, for you also. Yes, Asha, you can also. And HB, Niranjan, Abhishek, Amit. Yes, Asha, I have sent you the guidance message. Asha, can you please share that payment proof here so I can update and arrange access, and also share your email ID? Yes, Asha, successfully we have received your payment and I'm arranging access for you now. Just give me a moment. Let us all put our hands together to congratulate and welcome Asha. Asha successfully completed the payment and getting into Diamond membership. And here we go, Asha. So you will have initial 30 days access, and with your next payment, it will be upgraded as lifetime. Okay. So congratulations and warm welcome. You should be getting messages shortly. Yes, already you got it. Yeah. So we have activated the membership for you. Next month on the same date, you will get a reminder for the balance payment. And with that, automatically your membership will be upgraded as lifetime. Okay. So congratulations and warm welcome. Warm welcome. Just go through the guidance messages. You'll be receiving 5 guidance messages now in your WhatsApp. The second guidance message will have a video. Please watch that fully because that will guide you how you can get the best out of this Diamond membership. Okay. And we'll meet once again today, 3 p.m. Thank you all. Bye bye.